How to power up merchant. Tap account. Tap My Business icon. Tap Power Up and upgrade to Pro package. Tap Upgrade. There are two options here, 399 ringgit per year, or 798 ringgit for 2 years. Enjoy this special promotion for limited time only. Tap Purchase Now. It will show order summary on this page. After confirm, tap Pay. You can check the transaction summary by tap on the plus sign. Next was the payment option. Select which payment method you preferred. You also can choose online banking method for the payment. Once completed the payment, merchant need wait 72 hours for the approver.